In this video, I'm going to show you how you can grow a very small port very fast using Aster Dex platform. Aster is hyperliquid killer. Why? Because the biggest name in the crypto market, CZ, is heavily promoting Aster. Also, it offers some new features that Hyperliquid doesn't offer. For example, using Aster, you can trade even US stock market. You can see Apple, Tesla, and many others. As soon as some meme coins launch, when they reach millions of dollars market cap, you can trade them on Aster with leverage up to 100x, which is crazy. You can long or short different meme coins, which is great. Also, another difference between Aster and Hyperliquid is when it comes to Aster, you can have some private order books. For example, let's say you're trading with millions of dollars and you don't want other people and public see on which price you want to buy or on which price you want to sell. So using Aster, you can have some private trades. This is great because market makers or some big whales could trade against you, but using Aster, no one can see your trades, which is a very cool feature, and that's the reason so many people are switching to Aster. But the biggest opportunity right now in the market is actually Aster token. This token pumps so hard, and right now it's at around $3 billion market cap. And many people think this is overpriced, this is very expensive to buy. But I have to mention this token hasn't launched on Binance Exchange yet. Just look at this. CZ is behind this token. He's heavily promoting this. Also, this post recently, actually posted by BNB Chain. It was 8 hours ago on Seoul. You can see so many banners from Aster. This is definitely a token that I believe will launch on Binance platform on October, maybe even 1st of October. And that's the time you can see a very big pump for this token. So even at this price, I think it's quite cheap to buy. Also, if you have a compare, you can see perpetual volume on Aster right now is at around $32 billion. On Binance, it's at around $85 billion. But look at the difference between the tokens: 3.3 billion, 140 billion. And CZ mentioned this many times on different podcasts that Dex is bigger than sex. The volume that we will see on different dexes will be much higher than sexes. So I really believe Aster has so much potential. We actually have a big airdrop for Aster, and basically you have to join a team. If you want, you can join my team. My referral link is in the video description. By clicking and signing up on Aster, you can join my team. In this way, we all can get more points. You can invite your friends because this airdrop will be very huge. If you're familiar with Hyperliquid, you probably know that so many people made generational wealth using Hyperliquid airdrop. The same thing will happen with Aster, and you should definitely join a team, so you can sign up with my referral link. Now let me show you my strategy to trade perpetuals on Aster. When it comes to trading meme coins, almost everyone is using a wallet tracker. You can track dev wallets, some profitable ones, and in this way you can find new opportunities. But when it comes to perpetual trading, no one knows how to track some profitable wallets or even how to find them. But I'm going to show you how you can do that, because right now most people are only relying on technical analysis. But by finding some profitable wallets, you can find so many new opportunities. When it comes to Aster, since it's a new platform, you can't find any good website to find some profitable traders on this platform. But since this is perpetual trading, we can actually find some profitable wallets on Hyperliquid. Those traders are actually professional. They know how to use leverage, how to long, how to short. And by tracking them, I'm going to show you how to track them. Whenever they long or short, you can use Aster to do that because we want to get eligible for their future airdrop. Personally, I don't use Hyperliquid for my trades. I only use Aster. But how we can find this kind of wallets? Apex Liquid is a platform that's basically developed for Hyperliquid. They will actually add Aster very soon. On the top traders section, you can see so many professional traders, and basically we're going to track these, wallets, but we're going to do our trade on Aster. What I'm looking for in here is high trade time, like a year or at least few months, because we don't want some fresh wallets. I want high ROE, high PNL, and low max drawdown, as low as possible. You can even use the filters in here, but let's actually see what we can find. For example, when it comes to this wallet, he has high ROE, a decent max drawdown, and this wallet is active for 2 months. I prefer, you know, uh, at least a year or a few months. For example, this one it's few months, 4 months. Let's take a look. The win rate is decent, 50%. The margin usage is 41%. I personally prefer margin usage below 50%. If it's higher than 50, that's a bit risky. Profit factor shows if this wallet is profitable or not. Any number above one means it's profitable. When it comes to this wallet, is actually 2.4, which is quite nice. When it comes to historical positions, he had only 4 positions. Two of them were in loss, two of them profitable. Uh, he made most of his profit from this open position. Personally, I don't want this wallet because we don't have much data to analyze it. Let's take a look at another wallet, for example, this one. Margin usage is great, win rate is great, profit factor 20, it's crazy. Historical positions, 42% profit, 8%, 1%. He had few losses, but the losses were quite low. But when it comes to profits, they were great. And he has an open position, this one, uh, over 300%. This is definitely a wallet that we have to track. Let me show you another wallet. I'm also tracking this one. You can see margin usage is 43%, win rate 90%, profit factor 8.6, which is great. And look at here. He has this position right now, 43%. Historical positions, you can see all of them are profitable. This is the first one. All of them are profit. It's crazy. Uh, Definitely we have to track this one as well. I highly recommend, after finding some good wallets, also check the data on some other websites like HyperDash or HyperTracker to make sure the data is correct. For example, in here, if I paste the wallet, we can actually see the ROE is 145, the margin usage is 43%, the same data as Apex Liquid. You can do the same on HyperTracker. This is also a great website to find some profitable wallets. They basically categorize different wallets based on their strategy or their size, Dolphin, Whale, and many others, which is very interesting. Definitely check them out. But let me actually show you how you can track these kind of profitable wallets. We can actually use Apex Liquid Telegram bot to track this kind of wallets. You can find a link to this bot in the video description. This is a copy trading tool, but as I told you, they only support Hyperliquid for now, but we want to use Aster for the airdrop. So what we want to do is we click on track, and in here I want to add the wallets that we found for the address. We can paste it in here. For the tag, we can say, for example, 90% win rate. And whenever this wallet make a trade, long or short, we can actually see the notification on Apex Liquid bot, which is very cool. And we can do the same position on, Aster platform. In this way, we can have some good trades. We don't have to look at the chart all the time. We only have to check the notifications on the bot, which is very cool. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers.